Welcome to Home Class TV. I remain myself Aliwe Tosin, which to continue the third video of our topic modular arithmetic. In our previous video, we've been able to go through what the concept of modular arithmetic is, the addition, and we also made a table that talks about what the addition of modular modulus. Now, for this, now we want to consider the subtraction. Find the simplest positive form of each of the following. Now, there are some questions that while solving, we realize that we have a negative answer as our mode. Negative answer as our mode. How do we convert from negative to what? To positive. When you're having a negative solution, how do you convert from negative solution to what? To positive. That's simplest positive form. Now, in doing that, we go this way. The first one says minus 28 mode 3. For this, we are working on what? On mode 3, and we are having a negative number. First thing you need to do is that think of a number that when you multiply it by 3, it will give a number that is bigger than what? That is bigger than 28. The number that when you multiply it by 3, that is bigger than what? 28. That is the smallest number that when you multiply it by 3 will be bigger than what? 28. What do I mean by that? This is 3 now. 3 times 7 is 21. It's not up to 28. 3 times 8 is 24. It's not up to 28. 3 times 9 is 27. It's not up to 28. 3 times 10 is up to 28 and bigger than 28. You don't need to take 3 times 11. You gotta be 33 when you have 3 times or 3 times 10. So just go by saying 3 times 10, which will be equal to what? It will be equal to 30. Now that 30 minus this 28, it will give us what? 30 minus 28 will give us what? Will give us 2. And that means our answer is what? 2 mode 3. So minus 28 mode 3 is also the same thing as what? Minus 2. It's also in positive is what? 2 mode 3. Now, let's take the next one. That's the next one. Minus 2 mode 9. Minus 2 mode 9. Minus 2 mode 9 now. Now, like I said, what is the smallest number that when you multiply it by 9 will give you what? A number that is bigger than 2. The smallest number that when you multiply it by 9 will give you a not bigger than 2. This is 9. If I multiply 9 by 1, it will give you what? 9, which is bigger than what? 2. So 9 minus 2 will give me what? 7. So we say this is what? 7 mode 9. You just need to practice more on this. You need more practice. Let me give you one more example. That is this. Minus 52 mode 11. Minus 52 mode 11. Okay, for this now, the smallest number that I can multiply by with 11 to give me a number bigger than what? 52 is this should be 11 is 5. 11 times 5, that give me what? 55. Now 55 minus 52 will give me what? 3. So you can say minus 52 mode 11 is what? Is 3 mode 11. Final answer. So now let's take this one. We have to find 0 minus 3 in mode 4. Is 0 minus 3 in mode 4? Is 0 minus 3 in mode 4 now? Is 0 minus 3 is what? 0 minus 3 is minus 3, right? So just present this in mode what? In mode 4. Like we did the other one, the biggest number that I can multiply by 4 that will give you something very close to what? To 3 is 4 times 1. 4 times 1 will give you what? 4. Then minus 3. That's what? 1. So you say that what? This will be 1 mod 4. So 0 minus 3 is minus 3 mod 4. And when you convert it from negative to positive is what? 1 mod 4. Now, this is A. The next one, this is saying 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 in mode what? Mode 5 now. In mode 5. Firstly, we say this is 1 minus 2 is what? Is minus 1. So that means you're having minus 1 mode what? Mode 5. Now minus 1 mode 5 now. Like we did the other one, we say that what? Convert it minus 1 mode 5 now to what? To positive. To positive now. When I get to positive, it will be minus what number will we multiply by what? By 5. That will give us a number very close to 1. That's 1 times 5. Yes, 1 times 5. So we say 1 times 5 is 5. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. So answer becomes what? 4 mod 5. 4 mod 5. So I think on that note we stop for this. Let's take home play. So let's take this as our own play. Let's take it as our own play. At least it covers the first 3 parts we've taken. So we continue from this in our next topic, in our next class, which will be what? Modular arithmetic 4. I myself, and please ensure we practice this at home. Thank you.